Hey there, fellow gamers, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for all things gaming tech. I'm Host, and today we have something truly groundbreaking for you, the SteelSeries HyperMagnetic gaming keyboard. Gamers, if you're looking for the keyboard that can redefine your gaming experience, look no further. This is the Apex Pro TKL, the world's fastest and most advanced keyboard that's designed to perform effortlessly, whether you're conquering the competition or typing with precision. Let's dive right into what makes this keyboard truly exceptional. First up, it's all about the switches. The Omni Point 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches are the stars of the show here. They're 20 times faster in actuation and offer a mind-blowing 11 times faster response compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. And here's where it gets interesting, the rapid trigger feature. Say goodbye to latency issues caused by physical switch movement. This keyboard dynamically activates and deactivates keys based on travel distance, not a fixed point, ensuring lightning-fast response times. Now, let's talk about customization. With the Apex Pro TKL, you have ultimate control. You can adjust the actuation point of each key to your liking, from a featherlight 0.1mm to a firm press at 4.0mm. It's all about precision and personalization. Speaking of precision, this keyboard comes in an esports-ready TKL form factor. It's the preferred choice of esports pros worldwide, designed to save desk space for those crucial mouse movements during intense gameplay. But wait, there's more. Check out the OLED Smart Display. It provides vital information at a glance, from GPU stats to notifications. Plus, you can customize it further using the SteelSeries Engine app. Now, let's talk durability. The Apex Pro TKL is built to last. Its top plate is made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the same material used in jets for enhanced durability. This keyboard is designed to withstand the test of time in countless gaming sessions. And let's not forget the aesthetics. This gaming keyboard not only performs like a beast but also looks sleek and stylish. It's a keyboard that can truly match your gaming setup's aesthetics. In summary, the SteelSeries HyperMagnetic gaming keyboard, also known as the Apex Pro TKL, is a game-changer in the world of gaming peripherals. With its unparalleled speed, customization, and durability, it's a must-have for any serious gamer. That's a wrap for today's review. If you're as excited about this keyboard as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your gaming buddies, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on UK Pro Reviewer. Stay tuned for more in-depth tech reviews, and until next time, keep gaming, keep winning, and keep rocking that keyboard.